Good day, everybody. My name is Gordon Walker, founder of Canoe Adventures. I'm here to talk about a little bit about myself. I was born in Norrie House, Manitoba, and I was raised out in the trap line at here really. It's about 45 air miles from Norrie House. And all my life I've been in the wilderness, canoeing and hunting, trapping, everything that you can do out here in the wild. So I'm inviting you to come and join us in our canoe quest, in our canoe adventures from Norrie House to God's Lake Narrows.
I'm Amos Crow, the other owner of Trails of Oak Canoe Adventures. I'm going to explain a little bit about the kind of trip that you guys will be going on. When you go on a canoe adventure with us, it'll be 9 days, almost 300 kilometers in either direction, going from Norway House to God's Lake or from God's Lake to Norway House, depending on which dates that you pick.
You know, this is an invitation to you to come on a trip with me and experienced guides that will come with us. We will do all the cooking for you. Breakfast, lunch, supper, and we will tell you stories into the night. I hope that you will come and experience the canoe trip of a lifetime. Ego Stande.